In this video, I explain comparisons between hydraulic pump and hydraulic motors. In a hydraulic pump, we supplied the mechanical energy and it is converted in a hydraulic energy. Okay. So how this mechanical energy is supplied to the pump? Here in this image you see this is the pump and this is the motor. Okay. So motor is the one types of the prime movers. The pump is also runs by using the IC engines or by using the turbine. Means for running the pump we require the prime movers. And this prime mover output is the mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is supplied to the pump. Okay, and this mechanical energy is converted in a hydraulic energy. Means pressure of the any liquid is increased, it is called as the hydraulic energy. What is the hydraulic motors? So generally you know about the electric motors. Okay, in electric motor what we supplied? In electric motor we supplied the electricity and it's give as the rotational energy, means mechanical energy. So in a fan we use the electric motor. Okay, so in fan we supplied the electricity and the fan is start to rotate. Okay, that is the functions of the motor. Same way in a hydraulic motor we supplied the hydraulic energy, means we supplied the pressurized oils in a hydraulic motors and it's give the mechanical energy as the output. Means it is the either linear moment or the rotational moment of the motor is achieved. It is called as the hydraulic motor. This is the basic functions of the input and output. Now let's we understand the other comparisons point of the hydraulic pump and hydraulic motor. So on the left side it is the hydraulic pump, on the right side hydraulic motor. The functions of the hydraulic pump is pump the hydraulic oil to the hydraulic system. Means pump is circulate the hydraulic oil in a hydraulic system. Means pump is supplied the oil to the all the parts of the hydraulic systems. Hydraulic motor produce the rotations and the torque. Means hydraulic motor is produce the mechanical energy. Second comparisons, hydraulic pump converts the mechanical energy into a hydraulic energy. Means in a pump we supplied mechanical energy as a input and output is the hydraulic energy. In hydraulic motor converts the hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. Means input in a hydraulic motor is hydraulic energy and output is the mechanical energy, means rotational energy that we mentioned in the first point. The hydraulic motor produce the rotations. Rotation means it is the mechanical energy. Third point, hydraulic pump is a work consuming device. Means we are supplying the work to the hydraulic pump. Means we are supplying the mechanical energy to the pump. Means it's consume the mechanical energy. Hydraulic motor is work producing device. Means it's produce the mechanical work. It is called as the work producing device. In a hydraulic pump we supply the mechanical energy as an input. In a hydraulic motor we get the mechanical energy as an output. That's why it is considered as the work producing device. And in a pump we supplied the mechanical energy. That's why it is called as the consuming device. Next point, in a hydraulic pump, when the shaft of hydraulic pump is rotated by means of any prime mover. Means we need to rotate the shaft of the hydraulic pump, and the shaft of the hydraulic pump is rotated by any prime mover. Prime mover means it is electric motor, IC engines or turbine. It sucks the oil from the reservoirs. Means when the rotations of the pump shaft is start, pump is suck the oil from the reservoirs and deliver it to the hydraulic system. Hydraulic motor, when we supply oil under the pressure to the hydraulic motor, its shaft is rotates and it's produce the rotation and torque at its shaft. Constructions of the hydraulic pump and motor are similar. A hydraulic pump can work as a hydraulic motor. Means constructions of the hydraulic pump and the motor are same. Okay, so we can use the hydraulic pump as a hydraulic motors or a hydraulic motor as a hydraulic pump. In a hydraulic motor, construction of the motor and pump are similar. A hydraulic motor can work as a hydraulic pump. So we can use it alternatively. Pump is used as a motor and motor is used as a pump. So we are discussing the different types of the hydraulic pump and different types of the motor. So you can study that both our construction is same, component is same. Okay, just the input and output is change. Now what is the applications of hydraulic pump? Applications of the hydraulic pump is to pump the oil to the hydraulic system. And functions of the hydraulic motor, means applications of the hydraulic motor is to have a rotary motion in any hydraulic system. Means we require the rotary motions in any hydraulic systems, we need to use the hydraulic motor. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to OHP and other subject of the mechanical engineering. For the OHP, various link is provided in descriptions as well as in a card. Card mean on a top right screen of your mobile or laptop you see the I symbols. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist.